maytag draw was making noise, grinding noise. The problem was the glide bracket. So the drum was rubbing up against the glide bracket. So metal to metal was making noise. So if you ever have this problem, a grinding noise, metal to metal, it's your drum rubbing up against your glide bracket. Okay? So I went ahead and replaced the front bulkhead seal, new glides, new pad between the bracket and the glide. Okay, so new glides, pad, and bracket on both sides. Do it evenly. Okay, and a new bulkhead seal. Okay, this goes in your front. You got two. Okay, so I'm just sharing this information. If you have a metal grinding noise, it's your drum rubbing against your glide bracket. Okay, so you want to do the glide, the pad, the bracket, and your bulkhead seal at the same time. Okay? And this is for a maytag draw. Now I buy some parts from Amazon and some parts from Trebles. Because I get a discount on Trebles when I buy any parts there. It's a local store. If you don't have one in your state, you can order online. The price is reasonable. Called Treble Appliances. Okay? Now this is an adhesive, high temperature adhesive, $15. Okay, that's a part number there. Okay. So I'm going to replace the belt too. That's the part number there. It's all genuine parts. Okay. You can buy this belt on Amazon too. Okay. This is the bracket. Okay. You need two brackets. That's the part number there. Go on Treble website. Trebles. That is the pad. You need two pads. Okay. The glide, you can get it from Amazon. It's good glides. Because I recently worked on this job about 3 weeks ago. And the drum eat the glide up. That's the part number they can get on Amazon. I need a better phone, man. This thing is blurry. But just type in your model number into the Amazon website and you can pull it up. Put drum glide on it. It will pull it up. Alright, so I'm just sharing this information. Now you can go on Travels. If you don't have a Travels in your state, you can order it online too. But I have one in my state I live in, which is Virginia, Maryland. Okay. DC. The DMV, man, that's where I live in, the DMV. And it's spelled Tribbles, Treble Inc. The price is reasonable. And I always get a discount when I buy from them because the type of work I do. Okay? So that is how you install a new glide pad and glide bracket and a new front bulkhead seal. Okay? You do it at the same time. Alright? And this is how the bracket got eaten up. This is it right here. Almost cut it in half, the drum. Okay? Almost cut it in half. And this is the pad. This pad is worn out, it's no longer good. Okay? So you want to order the bracket and the pad and the glide. Because that's where the drum rolls on. Okay? See how it is? So if you have a grinding noise, time to replace your bracket, your pad, and your bulkhead seal. Okay, this is the other bracket here. It was cutting into it too. See that? I was making a grinding noise. This is your pad. So you want to replace your bracket, the pad, and the glides, and your bulkhead seal, which is this right here. Okay? This cost me $35 a piece for each bracket. The pad is like $6 and change a piece. Okay? And the seal, you can get the seal on Amazon. Alright? It's like $35 of troubles. But I got the OEM seal, which is the aftermarket seals tends to be off a little bit, either too big. But you buy the OEM, which is what I got. Alright? This is the part number right here. Treble sells OEM. Okay? So right here. This is the seal. Alright? That's the part number there. Got a maytag drawer. And I got the belt. Like I said, I got the belt from Trebles too. Alright, it's like $25. That's the belt. Genuine part. Like I said, I buy some parts from Amazon, but not everything. Because the people who sells it on there, you know, the price is kind of high. It's like I look into the bracket. They don't have it in stock, but it takes like about almost a week, 2 weeks to get it in. And it's expensive on Amazon. And even the seal, not the seal, but the pad. The pad's like $20. The pad that goes, I'm talking about this right here. It's like $20, man. And they don't even have it in stock. They gotta order it. So I spent $6 and change for this pad that goes on the glide bracket. So I got a discount, okay, on the bracket and the parts. Because the type of work I do, I get a discount. Alright, you see how that drum heated up? I do a lot of price research before I order stuff. Okay? I do the local first, then start doing research. And I go with OEM when the parts is important to the equipment. I go with OEM because you don't want to be replacing parts. You know what I'm saying? All the time, man. You want to get something to last. You know what I mean? Certain things I get aftermarket and certain things I don't. It's like when I'm working on my car. Not everything I go aftermarket because some things will not fit and will not last. So I know what to buy. OEM and non-OEM. Okay? I'm just putting this information out here. Alright? Later.